Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PlagiarismCheckerX for US content audits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with PlagiarismCheckerX for content audits, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type PlagiarismCheckerX.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to be directed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will be prompted to provide basic information. Fill in the required fields, such as your name and email address. Choose a strong password that you will remember and type it in the designated field. Next, read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree to them, check the box indicating your acceptance. After completing the form, click the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Open your email inbox and look for the email from PlagiarismCheckerX. Click the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the PlagiarismCheckerX website and click Login. Enter your registered email and password to access your account. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To conduct a content audit, locate the Upload option on the dashboard. Select the files you wish to audit from your computer. Once selected, click the Submit button to start the auditing process. Wait for the analysis to complete, which may take a few moments. After completion, you will receive a detailed report on your content. Review the report thoroughly to understand any plagiarism detected. If necessary, take action to modify the flagged content accordingly. Congratulations, you are now able to register and perform content audits with PlagiarismCheckerX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.